All right, guys, 2014 Hemi Charger Pursuit 5.7. It's got a lot of motor work done into it, but today we're gonna do something different. I don't know if you can hear that, but I'm pretty sure we've got a bad bearing, which we've got to take off. And then we're gonna replace the little rubber coupler. And once we get all that off, put it all back together, then this car should be done. We want to check out other stuff. So it's got headers. It's got a 6.4 cam in it. You can see them that way. I can't really see them. It's hard to see anything on these cars. 6.4 cam in it. It's got a bunch of custom head work with aftermarket beehive springs, lifters. I mean, it's got a ton of work to it. So let's get all this apart. We'll take a look at it and see what we're dealing with. You guys can see it a little better now that we got the... Yeah, that bearing goes a lot, so let's pull out. Looks like we can pull out the back drive shaft. Might be able to just do it that way. I think this was the problem. That's what I said it was. So I got off my butt and I'm fixing it. Just a quick way to show you how we got the bearing off. Put it here, and then we hit it, spun it, hit it, spun it, hit it, slid right off. So everybody says use a piece of round tubing. I didn't have a piece, so what it is, I used this. It's not pushing on the actual bearing, it's sitting on the stuff like that. Slid right on, took like 5 hits. So let's get it back in the car. Well, it's all back in. This is a pretty straightforward job. Gotta tighten up a couple clamps and just finish putting up the exhaust, but I don't think you really care to watch me do that. Only hiccup I ran into was there's a little key groove that's in the drive shaft. So if you want to mark your drive shaft before you pull it out so you line it back up, honestly, I just found the two little that were off and found it inside, and it took like, 30 seconds. But some people say mark it. Super easy. Still waiting for parts on the 57 and for the Corvette, but figure I'd show you me working on my daily stuff. It's probably pretty boring, but remember, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching Callahan Garage.